welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 10 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. And this is by that soo'ae brand again. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry. I do not know. And it is a detox and brightening mask. And what else do they claim here? See, soo'ae's hologram mask is soaked in a unique double-sided black charcoal and hologram sheet. Charcoal helps to detox and purify the skin. Plant extract delivers and nourishes skin. The directions here say to clean your skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. I'm going to have to go get some toner. And it says place the black side down on the skin and adjust to fit comfortably around the eyes and contour of the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove mask. Take remaining essence and pat into skin. No need to rinse. So, let me go grab my toner real quick. I did not know I needed that. Okay, so I have my Thayer's Witch Hazel toner in here that I'm going to use. I'm a little concerned because the one we did yesterday was also a charcoal detoxifying. I didn't realize that this was charcoal as well. I hope that's not too much charcoal for one person's face. Alright, so let me get my hair out of my face. It smells like cleaner. That's what it looks like when you pull it out. It says to put the black side down. It's a pretty thick mask. I don't think Christine would classify this as being hologram. Just an FYI. This is like silver. The serum is dripping off onto my lap. I can feel it. See how much is left in here. It's quite a bit. Okay, so it said 15 to 20 minutes, so we're just going to do the full 20. Okay, so we got it counting down, and I will be back once the time is up. Okay, so we are back. It has been 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the mask. It is still very wet. I'm going to do one of these real quick. I haven't really touched it all. Still a lot of serum on my face. I just kind of want to take a look at this. So from what I understand, hologram is supposed to have shifting colors. I don't even really see any color in here at all. I guess we'll let you be the decider of that. But to me, that's just silver. And this is the back side of it. Okay, and then it said to massage the remainder of the serum into your face. Your little hairs out of the way. Note to self, you should really put your hair up when you do this. Come here. In case you guys don't know yet, this is my cat. His name is Miko. He is a big, fat, fluffy Siamese, and he does not like the camera. I think the lights are too bright for him, to be honest. And he says it's snack time and for me to hurry up and come give him some snacks. Right? Right? You're not going to say anything now? Just going to ignore me, huh? Sounds about right. Okay, so we've massaged that into our skin. Okay, so their claims are detoxifying, brightening, and I do see nourishes skin on here. So there still really is a lot of serum on my face. I'd probably have to let it sit for probably another 15-20 minutes before it completely absorbs into my skin. And from what I'm feeling right now, it's kind of sticky, and I honestly don't know if I would leave that on my face. I am going to go rinse this off because I don't really want to leave that on my face. I have a feeling that that would just clog my pores and break me out. And to go over the other things, the detox, I don't know if it did that or not. Brightening, I do feel like I'm glowing, but the serum is on my skin, so that helps with that. And yeah, I suppose it's nourishing my face. It's definitely making it hydrated, but I'm going to go wash it off because I don't feel like it's going to dry down enough. I feel like it's just going to be sticky. The fact that the mask was not holographic kind of is a downfall. That's kind of disappointing. I would have hoped it would have been more holographic. Because even if you look at the picture on the back, it makes it look like it should be holographic, and it's not. So, that is everything for this mask. I probably would not buy this again because it was not as fun as I hoped it would be, and I honestly feel like if I left this on my skin, I would break out from it, so we are going to wash it off. If you have tried this already, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.